Wooden chairs have been a staple in human furniture design for centuries. They combine functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal, making them suitable for various settings from homes and offices to cafes and outdoor spaces. The versatility of wood allows for a wide range of styles, finishes, and techniques, resulting in beautiful and unique pieces. Types of wooden chairs. Dining chairs. Description: typically designed for use at a dining table, these chairs can vary in style from traditional to modern. Features: often sturdy with a comfortable seat, may include upholstery or cushions for added comfort. Armchairs. Description: these chairs come with armrests and are usually larger and more cushioned than standard chairs. Features: great for living rooms or reading nooks, offering comfort and support. Rocking chairs. Description: characterized by curved legs that allow the chair to rock back and forth. Features: often used for relaxation, these chairs are popular in nurseries and porches. Accent chairs. Description: these chairs are used to add style or a pop of color to a room. Features: can be designed in various shapes and sizes, often serving as statement pieces. Office chairs. Description: designed for use at a desk, these chairs can be ergonomic and supportive for long hours of sitting. Features: often adjustable and may include wheels for mobility. Materials and construction. Wooden chairs can be made from a variety of wood types, each offering distinct characteristics. Hardwoods, e.g., oak, maple, cherry, known for their durability and strength. Hardwoods are commonly used in high-quality furniture. Softwoods, e.g., pine, cedar, typically lighter and easier to work with. Softwoods are often used for more casual or rustic designs. Joinery techniques. The way a chair is constructed affects its strength and longevity. Common joinery techniques include mortise and tenon, a traditional method that creates a strong joint. Dovetail, often used in drawer construction, offering both strength and aesthetic appeal. Screwed and glued joints, common in modern furniture for ease of assembly. Design styles. Traditional. Features classic designs, often with intricate carvings and rich finishes. Modern, emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and functionality, often using lighter woods and bold colors. Rustic, utilizes reclaimed or distressed wood, showcasing natural imperfections in a warm, cozy feel. Scandinavian, focuses on simplicity and functionality, often featuring light-colored woods and minimalist designs. Benefits of wooden chairs. Durability. Well-crafted wooden chairs can last for generations, making them a worthwhile investment. Aesthetic appeal. The natural beauty of wood adds warmth and character to any space. Sustainability. When sourced responsibly, wooden chairs can be an eco-friendly choice, especially those made from reclaimed materials. Modern chairs are a fascinating blend of innovation, aesthetics, and comfort. Characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and often a focus on functionality, modern chairs have transformed the way we think about seating. In this overview, we'll delve into the characteristics, popular types, and notable designers of modern chairs. Characteristics of modern chairs. Simplicity. Modern chairs often feature minimalist designs, avoiding excessive ornamentation. The focus is on form and function. Innovative materials. Many modern chairs use a mix of materials, including molded plastic, metal, and engineered wood. This experimentation allows for new shapes and designs. Ergonomics. Comfort is a priority in modern chair design. Many contemporary chairs are ergonomically shaped to support the body during prolonged sitting. Sustainability. A growing trend in modern design is the use of sustainable materials and practices. Many designers prioritize eco-friendly sourcing and production methods. Versatility. Modern chairs are often designed to fit various settings, from homes to offices to public spaces, making them adaptable and functional. Tips for selecting the right modern chair: consider your space, measure the area where you plan to place the chair. Consider the scale of the chair in relation to other furniture and the overall room size. Think about functionality, identify how the chair will be used. Will it be for lounging, dining, or working? Ensure the chair meets your comfort and usability needs. Choose a style that complements your decor. Consider the existing decor of your space. Modern chairs come in various styles, so choose one that complements your aesthetic, whether it's minimalist, industrial, or eclectic. Test for comfort. If possible, sit in the chair before purchasing. Pay attention to the seat height, back support, and overall comfort. Evaluate quality. Look for well-constructed chairs made from durable materials. Check for quality joinery, sturdy frames, and good upholstery. Conclusion: modern chairs are more than just seating options, they are expressions of style, innovation, and comfort. With a wide array of designs, materials, and technologies influencing their creation, modern chairs continue to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of society. Whether you're furnishing a home, office, or public space, selecting the right modern chair can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of the environment. As you explore the world of modern chair design, consider how these pieces can reflect your personality and lifestyle. Embrace the blend of art and functionality that modern chairs offer, and enjoy the comfort and style they bring to your space.